Hey everyone, Davey here again with Fragrance Bros. Here doing a quick unboxing. As you can see, it's a little bit more shaky than it normally is. I don't have my tripod on hand right now, so bear with me here. Shouldn't be that bad though. Anyway, today we're doing an unboxing of the Essential Parfums line. This one is Mon Vetiver, and this one is their Discovery set. So I just wanted to show you kind of both of them here. This is a really interesting line, which I have a full review of up here if you want to go watch that. You can go watch the full review, my thoughts on that. And I really like this line. One thing that I really like about it is that it's a very affordable line. It's a niche line that is a very affordable price. And you can see that through their kind of minimalist packaging here. So I just wanted to kind of show that here. So first of all, here's the box for Mon Vetiver and the Discovery set. The bottles are all the same, but as you can see, it's just corrugated cardboard here on the back, and here's kind of a description of this one here. And that's it. It's just kind of held together by a little thing here, and I'll just take that off real quick. And then here's the bottle. It just comes right out. It's a little easier with two hands. All right, now after a little bit of fuss, I finally got it out. Really love these bottles. I really love just the classic simple lines. And maybe these are inexpensive, but they look, I mean, amazing, I think. The caps on these, though they do feel a little bit plasticky, they do have a little bit of weight to it, so it doesn't feel completely cheap. And they may have saved some money with the packaging here, but I don't find that it comes off as especially cheap feeling. So I think that they did a good job there. Now here's the Discovery set real quick. This is the whole line. And these are the perfumers behind each of these fragrances. They got a different perfumer, really good perfumer for each one here. And as you can see, here's just a Discovery set of just the spray samples. These are about, 2.5, maybe 3 mils each. So here's the whole line here. Nice bergamot, rose magnetic, orange santal, Mon Vetiver, and the musk. And that's the whole set. They're all really nice. But just wanted to show you kind of that sample set that you can get, and they have both of these on Lucky Scent, of course, and you can go check them out. I've had a lot of experience already with this sample set here, the Discovery set, and I can say that I really love this line. Today I'm going to be trying it out from the bottle for Mon Vetiver, and that's going to reflect in my full review. So if you want to go watch the full review, I'll have thoughts up here. And it's going to be talking about the obviously the rest of the line as well, but I'll have more thoughts on Mon Vetiver in that one. So anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with the Fragrance Bros.